Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.